this is 5, Bravo 4 Alpha Chemical.
27 MHz, testing, audio, maximum transmission power. Let's test it. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for some universal radio, this is Iradio model UV98 Plus. It works from citizen band to UHF band. It works really good on the 27 MHz citizen band because this radio has separate transmitter and receiver for this band. And on the VHF and UHF band, as usual radio. Additionally, this radio has HF receiver, SI3732 chip inside, and additional port for the antenna, for the HF antenna, I mean. Maximum transmission power on VHF and UHF band around 10 watts, USB-C port for charging. The radio came in this box, the user's manual in the box in English, parameters of the radio, transmitting part, receiving part, radio itself, additional 2 antennas, data cable, dual band antenna. As you can see, the short antenna works on 2 bands, on 2 meters band around 145 MHz, and these parameters around 460 for 70 centimeters band. The long antenna, at the same band, dual band antenna with the SMA-FML connector. These parameters for long antenna. As you can see, this antenna works on 2 bands, 2 meters and 70 centimeters band. Let's see closely each of the band. On 2 meters band, you can see the resonance around 135 MHz, close to the Airband. And these parameters for 70 centimeters band. Adapter, USB-C cable. Battery has 7.4 volts and 2400 milliamps. Desktop charger with the USB-C port and additional stuff. Airband reception, 120 MHz. Amplitude modulation.
Runway red 2 millimeters. Estimated surface friction good.
Currently I'm using the antenna which was with the radio.
The repair works in progress. Bird strike hazard in takeoff and landing area.
Regarding the Xband repeater is available in this radio, but when the citizen band is disabled, you should switch between these functionalities. And for citizen band, you should use the separate antenna connecting to this port where the main antenna is located for VHF and UHF. But I would like to see for citizen band maybe additional port. But in this radio we have only 1 port for transmitting. But anyway, this radio works pretty good. Don't forget to buy additional citizen band antenna. Don't forget to disable the CSS codes, because this radio from the factory came with these codes in V4 mode. Just go to the menu, enter the channel settings, CTC this CS, press this button again, and confirm. Exit. You can charge the radio using the desktop charger or just USB-C cable connected to the power bank or in your car, probably everywhere. And let's turn off the light and see this lamp indicates that process of charging. To enter the menu, just press this button. You will see the basic settings at first. Name call sign, voice prompt, key beep, lock timer, key LED timer, LCD timer, brightness, exit menu, takes priority, frequency steps. You see a lot of steps available. talk around, save modes, scan directions, scan returns, alarm time, work range, area, UV repeater, volt standby, repeater monitor, freq input, save channel, delete channel. You can save and delete frequencies, version, initialization. This radio has Xband repeater. Just go to the basic settings in the menu and enable UV repeater and multi-standby. In this case, you will see RP and MS icon on top of the screen. How the Xband repeater works? It's simple. The signal goes from 2 meters band to this radio. This radio receives in 2 meters band and transmits this signal on 70 centimeters band and back. If you transmit on 70 centimeters band, this radio receives on 70 centimeters band and transmit this signal on 2 meters band to the radio. Let's test it. You can see the signal. Testing. And back. Testing. All works pretty good. Key definition. You can assign some functionalities to the key. Monitor, power scan, works a lot of functionalities on every button. If you'd like to enable the radio, FM radio or SSB radio, you should just go to the menu, key definition, assign this functionality to some of the buttons. In my case, I assigned the FM radio on this button. Just press this button and radio works pretty good. Then after enabling this radio, just long press this button and you can switch the radio between HF bands, medium waves and long waves. Don't forget to connect the external antenna to this port. I highly recommend to assign the functionalities on the keyboard. I just assign the frequency measure on the first button, the second button spectroscope, the third button changing transmission power, the fourth modulation, AM, FM, fifth the weather, the sixth disabling the screen, the seventh GPS. Analog settings, square level, tone and tone, single tone, delay, detect range, repeater delay, mic gain, you can adjust mic gain, glitch, TMF, interval duration, takes in a lot of interesting functionalities. Refresh, scroll level, back channel settings, CTC, DCS codes, TX frequency, crypt, mute code, bandwidth, wide narrow, scrambler, tilt on, busy, TX power, low, medium, high. Let's measure the maximum transmission power. 145 MHz, around 8 watt. 70 centimeters band around 9 watts, 8.7, and 300 megahertz around 4.4 watts. This frequency 0.31. Let's check the low power 2 meters band, 4 watts, medium power around 5 watts, high power around 8 watts, 70 centimeters band low power 3 watts, medium 5, high power 27 megahertz, maximum transmission power 4.4 watts, low power 2.6, medium 4.4, the same as the high power 4.4. TOT, offset direction for repeater, AM FM RX, zone settings, FM radio, time management, when the next, extended GPS, APRS, the noise. If you'd like to use the citizen band, currently I'm using the antenna from this radio, Sturman. This antenna works on 27 megahertz only, and I should type the frequency 027 200. It doesn't work. Turn off the radio, hold this button, turn on again, holding this button. You will see the full band. Full band means your radio works on 27 megahertz, 027 200. Two different radios. This is CB radio Sturman 230 M3 and Iradio UV 98 27 MHz. Currently I'm using the same antennas. Testing audio. Testing audio. Also you can see the S-meter, RSSI, minus 15 dBm. Works pretty good, 27 MHz. In the spectrum scope you can change the frequency and just press this button and select frequency. Let's check 0272 27 MHz citizen band from 25.95 to 28.45. Just connected the external antenna for citizen band. Let's check the spectrum scope, 27.27 MHz, and we have spectrum scope 27.2, and I'm trying to transmit on the 27.27. Yeah, it's close to this frequency and works pretty good. If you would like to find the frequency, just run this functionality. You can change the range. I will try to check the 27 MHz band. You can see the range from 18 to 64 MHz, and we have frequency 27.220. Let's try to find this frequency. Yeah, it works pretty good. And After that, all works perfectly.
09 Hotel Alpha 853.
27 MHz. You can change the step, the bandwidth. Automatic gain control, or gain. B4, you can adjust the frequency. Short waves using the telescopic antenna.
at gmta.org.in.
Using this antenna, we can catch the short waves. "20 meters band."
Thank you for 61. Good luck. 5 Bravo 4 Alpha Quebec Alpha contest. City contest 5 Bravo 4 Alpha Quebec Alpha contest. Station ending with Mexico again. QRZ, this is 5 Bravo 4 Alpha Quebec Alpha contest. Echo Bravo November again. Number 1 Echo Delta Lima 1 Echo Bravo November 5925.
40 meters band using the telescopic antenna.
РТ-2 коридор 59 Николай Ольга Мария. Николай Ольга Мария, спасибо, 5929. Спасибо, радио 58, Роман Ольга.
Using this antenna, we can hear this station. 40 meters band, the same band as before.
Отличный сигнал, и все частотки как бы присутствуют, открытый, хороший сигнал, прием.
Works pretty good.
Это, на мой взгляд, нормальный сигнал. Так, где баритон, такой голос баритонистый. И средние, и низкие частоты есть, и высокие вроде чуть-чуть есть. Ну, можно высоких чуть добавить, а так, на мой взгляд, даже неплохо.
You can change the bandwidth.
Все в порядке, прием.
I think this radio is really good because it works on various bands and can catch HF band in SSB mode, and you can change the antenna and transmit on citizen band in FM mode. Actually, you can use usual bands, VHF and UHF. Leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. See you.